I look up inside these little tiny area here. If I can see a little hole, and I put a screw inside of there, and that's what I use to grab this on. Then after that, there'll be the silicone. We're going to use the cellulose around. Then it's going to be the board goes on, and we're going to seal that as well. That's when we're going to create a good seal here. So from this point here, I take a measurement of the area that's remain. So from the side of the drywall to the opposite side of where the edge of this is. And I take a measurement that's 90 by 60 up and down. Cut the piece to go in. And so from there we're going to be placing it in there and then silicone it as well. So over the side it's a bit drier and darker, but so right now it's in place. I just use a clamp now to kind of hold it in there as well. So I'll be using two clamps, one here and one at the top. I'm clamping and gluing this, and I'll be clamping and gluing this side, and then that'll be able to build me enough strength behind it to place the drywall.